Look at that. That snow rolled down the roof of this truck. Rolled into a roll. It just rolled down. That is so weird. I've never in my life seen that before. It's a roll. Look at that. It's a roll of snow. My gosh. How did this happen? What kind of a sign is that? I'm on a roll? What's up with that? Wow. I'm amazed. And this is still the 14th of May, and it's 11:20 in the morning, I believe. And it's still snowing, but it ain't sticking. But that is so unique. I have never seen that. Has anybody ever seen that in their life? Besides me, right now, at this point in time, look up in there. It's in rolls. Snow roll. Looks like you could slice it up and make cinnamon rolls. Oh, it's funny. Wow, it's awesome. Thank you, God, for this. Wow. I love it. This is just so weird. It's weird. I've never seen nothing like that. And I had to come back out because it appears like it keeps on going down, rolling down, you know. Just weird how that is. I don't know. Strange to me. I just never seen it before. That may be wacko. Everybody in the world may have seen this before. I haven't. Strange. I guess we're on a roll.